Hello everyone and welcome back to Doubling Part 2. Now, before we start, do you want to pause the video and get yourself a pen and paper because you will need these for this video. Now today we're going to look at doubling using number sentences. Now number sentences are just like regular sentences but of course with numbers instead of words. So the first number sentence I'm giving you today is 2 plus 2 equals. This is a doubling number sentence because we're adding the same number again. So we're adding a 2 to another 2. To solve this, I'm not going to be using any toys or objects. I'm just going to use this pen. And I'm going to draw 2 objects underneath the first 2. And then I'm going to draw another 2 under the second 2. Now all we have to do is count up our circles and we can see the answer is 4. So 2 add 2 equals 4. For this next one, we're going to be doubling 3. So my number sentence will read 3 plus 3 equals. Now, I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to write this one down yourselves and try and solve it yourselves. If you do need more time, feel free to pause the video until you've come up with an answer. I hope you all enjoyed that break from my voice, but unfortunately I do have to start talking again. So we'll draw our 3 circles underneath the first 3, and 3 circles underneath the next one, and count them all up. And that will give us our answer. So double 3 equals 6. Now, what do you think our next number is going to be that we are going to double? If you thought 4, you are correct. This number sentence will read 4 plus 4 equals. Now you're going to have a bit of time again to have a go at doing this yourselves. So I'll give you another 30 seconds and be back with you very soon. I think that was about 30 seconds. Let's see if we can work out the answer. Let's start with 4 circles underneath this one. And then 4 circles underneath this one. And then if we add them all up, we'll have 8. So double 4 equals 8. This time, we're not going to draw any objects to solve our problem. We're going to use our fingers because our number sentence is 5 plus 5 equals. Now, we could have done this for the other numbers as well, but 5's a really good one to do it with. If you hold up both hands, you'll notice you've got 5 fingers on each hand. So you're actually doubling 5 just by holding up all your fingers because you've got 5 on one hand and 5 on the other. So if you count them all together, that will give you the answer to double 5. And of course, the answer is 10. This next one's a bit trickier, but you can still use your fingers to solve it. The next one is double 6. So 6 plus 6 equals. Now, you don't have enough fingers on one hand, so you're going to need both hands to solve this. Now, I want you to hold up 6 fingers because what we're going to do is count them twice because that way we're doing double 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our answer is 12. I want you to use your fingers again for this next one. You're going to have some time to try and solve it yourself. I want you to try and double 7. So 7 add 7 equals. So 30 seconds, using your fingers, see if you can solve double 7. This was a bit harder, this one. Who got the right answer? So 7 fingers, counting them 2 times, gives us the answer of 14. That's it, guys. It was a slightly harder lesson today, so well done for sticking at it. I do have a little challenge if you want to continue doing your doubling this week. Can you continue doubling numbers, adding 1 more each time? So if you did double 2, your next one would be double 3, and then double 4, and then double 5, and then double 6, and see how far you can go. Your teachers would love to hear what the biggest number you are able to double is. That's all from me. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.